Welcome to Old School Chemistry. Today we are going to do the ALEKS topic, counting protons and electrons in atoms and atomic ions. I just want to review with you the difference between cations and anions. A cation is when an atom loses electrons, so it becomes positively charged. That is because you have more protons than you do electrons. Remember, protons are positive, electrons are negative. If you have the same number of protons and electrons, if protons equal electrons, you have a neutral atom. These are going to be ions. Now an anion, this is when an atom gains electrons. It gains more negative charge, more electrons, which are negative. So it gets the negative charge, and that means that you have fewer protons, more electrons. Now how I keep these two straight is the letter T. I think cation has that T, and the T reminds me of a plus sign. So there's your plus sign. Oh, I've lost electrons, I have more protons. That's the cation. Okay, so let's come over here and see what we have. I have 52 protons and 54 electrons. The first thing that I would do on this one is find the number 52 on my periodic table. So atomic number 52 is tellurium. So this is going to be Te. Now I have fewer protons and more electrons. If you want to do the math, you can. I know that you'll get fast at this and be able to do it in your head. If you have 52 positive and 54 negative, your charge is a -2. Now remember, when we write charge, we always do the number and then the charge. So this would be a 2 minus. If it's just a 1, you can leave the 1 off. You can put a positive. That's understood to be a 1 plus. Okay, is this neutral, cation, or anion? It's negative, so it's going to be an anion. Now my aluminum, 3 plus, notice that positive, reminds you of a T, that's going to be your cation. Protons and electrons. So I'm going to find aluminum on the periodic table. Oh, there it is. It has 13 protons. That is its atomic number. Okay, now you're thinking, has 13 positive, but it has a net 3 plus charge. So how many electrons does it need? And if you need to do the math, you can. If I have 13 positive and it has to equal a net positive, how many negative do I have here? -10. I've got 10 electrons. Just remember, positive for protons, negative on those electrons. Okay, copper. And look, there's nothing written as the superscript. That infers for you and I, it tells us it's neutral, that there's no charge on it. And remember, when we have a neutral atom, that means the positive and negative equal each other. The protons and electrons are the same. They equal each other. So I look up my copper. Here's copper, and that is atomic number 29. So if I have 29 protons in a neutral atom, there are 29 electrons. Okay, well done. Thank you for being here. I'm so proud of you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.